Emily.
Your drive times look good, and so does your weather. Taking a live look out of our Mount Vaca cam, you can see the East Bay looking nice and beautiful. Just a few of those high clouds out there. That's keeping our temperatures relatively mild, warmer than we have been for the rest of the week. This morning in the East Bay, 38 degrees in Concord, 33 degrees in North Bay in Santa Rosa. San Francisco sitting at 49 degrees. Oakland still relatively warm, also at 48 degrees. Your visibility, the South Bay looks good. However, there are parts of the East Bay where there is some fog and haze coming off of the Delta. Concord, you have a half-mile visibility, but the worst we're seeing for visibility is in the North Bay. All this fog coming off through the Petaluma Gap. So Santa Rosa, you have about 3/10 of a mile. Petaluma, you have about 1.5 miles visibility this morning. This high pressure system that's sitting right here is right on top of us, keeping our temperatures nice and warm today. But this low pressure system and that low pressure system are lined up, getting ready to move in and make changes in our forecast. A couple of things to remember for the day. We have some sun and high clouds after that patchy fog burns off. Then for the holiday weekend, it's going to be dry with some cooler temperatures, but seasonal. And then the start of 2018, there's clouds moving in and also a chance of rain. There is a spare the air alert in effect for today, tomorrow, and Sunday. So no wood burning because of the air quality at the moment. Those of you who have issues with respiration or respiratory issues, there is an unhealthy level of air quality in the North Bay. So just keep that in mind going into your weekend. Your high temperatures are going to be close to 70, but not quite there in the South Bay, cooler along the coast. In the East Bay, 63 in Antioch, 62 in Vallejo. Around the bay, dipping into the 50s, 59 in Sausalito, as well as in Mill Valley, 63 in Santa Rosa. In the far North Bay, you'll be in the high to mid 60s, 67 in Ukiah, 63 degrees in Rohnert Park. Your 7-day forecast shows beautiful sunny weather today and tomorrow. Clouds returning on Sunday for New Year's Eve, but nothing too terrible. You'll still be able to see the fireworks. And then on Monday, that's when not only the weather, but the year changes. We have clouds moving in and some rain behind that, guys.